Come on, Barf. Come on, boy. You want to fetch? Go get it, boy. Good boy. You bring it back. You are the best, smartest dog in the world. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Yeah, most dogs can fetch.
Yeah, but Barf isn't like most dogs. Watch this. All right, Barf.
Fetch! Switch, boy, switch!
Oh, yeah. Some kind of genius.
Just watch.
Bring it here, boy.
Good dog. Any dog can fetch, but fetch and switch? Not even Einstein can do that.
It's pretty good.
What is it, buddy?
I've been waiting for years to get this
You
done.
sure the two of us can handle this, boss? I could get a net, from the truck.
All right. Where is he?
It's none of your business. Guy's had it in for Barf ever since he sprained his ankle chasing him.
Look, son. We'll make this harder than it has to be.
He's in the doghouse!
Hey, what's your problem?
What's that, boy? What you got? Good boy.
Quiet, boy.
Muffy.
Oh, my poor cat! He did kill her, the brute!
All right. I'm gonna have to take him in.
No!
To the holder of this letter, my commendations. Solving the puzzle of the chest required more than considerable deductive powers. My work has consumed my life, and I have produced no heir to follow in my path.
This dog has more priors than a ship has rats. Running at large, barking at large, resisting animal control officers. This dog is an habitual offender.
There's nothing in there about him hurting any stupid cats. It's a trick I taught him. Cats.
Reckless pursuit of other animals.
But he never caught any.
Look, we're holding him in connection with the death of Mrs. Trundle's cat.
May I see that?
And you are?
A friend.
Of the kid or the dog?
Both.
Sir? We found him in the doghouse.
Canine teeth impressions.
These cat collars were found hidden in his doghouse.
So?
So they explain why cats have been going missing all over your neighborhood.
But Barf...
Sterling, let me handle this. Look, Mr. Hoskins, Barf wouldn't hurt a flea, which is kind of funny because he's covered in them.
Dad, this is serious.
You're darn right it's serious. That dog's gone bad. He's gonna have to be put down.
Give me 24 hours.
Look, son, that's not...
24 hours to prove he's innocent, that's all I'm asking.
All right. You have until 10 tomorrow morning.
Hey! Why don't I take us all up to Burger for lunch, huh?
How can you think about food at a time like this?
Son, you're only making this hard on yourself.
You think he's guilty, don't you?
Well, look, you gotta eat.
Can we just go home, please?
I'll get the car.
Barf's being framed. Where's the cat corpses? Where's the smoking gun?
Stink, they built a strong case on circumstantial evidence.
But they have no proof. It's a bum rap. Barf has rights, the same as people. You gotta help him.
I'll try.
Can I come out now?
Do you feel anything? Runny nose, itchy, scratchy eyes?
No, and no.
Sniff this.
Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Interesting. You have an allergic reaction to Muffy's fur, but not to the doghouse.
Believe me, if there were cats in this doghouse in this century, I'd be breaking out knives by now.
So the cats were never inside. Barf's innocent.
He still could have killed them somewhere else and brought their collars back as trophies.
No way. I mean, Barf can't even get out of the yard.
Actually, he can. Actually, he did. There's a hole under the fence. Barf hair.
Stink. Lying for Barf isn't going to help him.
Okay, so maybe he did get out of the yard once in a while, but that doesn't make him a cat killer.
We have 18 hours to prove you're right.
Me, I tend to worry. But Muffy's philosophy was go with the flow.
How long has Barf lived next door?
8 years. And he went after Muffy every single night, barking his head off and... Oh. This is my grandson, Daniel. Very up and coming in the art world.
What is this?
It's a study in pure form, uncluttered by the irrelevancies of color. I call it rusting lawnmower.
That's what I would have called it.
I'm unveiling a major new work tomorrow. I want you to be there.
Mrs. Trundle, when did you last see Muffy?
About 7 o'clock last night.
And that's when you heard Barf barking?
Come to think of it, I didn't. I didn't hear him barking at all last night.
No barking the night Muffy disappeared. What do you make of that?
I don't know, but I think we should check out the other cat owners. The Mitchells are at 317.
Seen him around. Used to bark every time my wife let the cat out. Oh, I really miss her. Nora was a beauty.
Short hair? Long hair?
Long. Dark. To her shoulders.
Your cat.
My wife. Marjorie's my cat.
So Marjorie disappeared 2 days ago.
Yes. Our breakup was very nasty. First I thought Lenora kidnapped her for revenge. She's aloof. Sleeps all day. Expects to be constantly pampered.
Your wife?
No, my cat.
Right. So, Mr. Mitchell, how can you be so sure that, Lenore, your wife, didn't steal Marjorie, your cat?
They don't allow pets at her new condo.
Yes, you are so ferocious. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. That bone's better than any cats, isn't it? Isn't it?
Hey, if you're going to agitate him, you have to leave. I don't want him setting off the other dogs.
I'm not agitating him, you are.
Whoa. Don't blame me for what's happened, son. Look at him. Take a look. He's unruly, antisocial, untrained. I'm not the one that let him down, son. You are.
You're just mad at him because you've never been able to catch him.
But I did catch him, didn't I? And for good this time.
You ready?
Ready.
Okay, Mrs. Cortez, look carefully. Do you see the dog that chased your cat? Take your time.
I don't have to. I know this vicious beast anywhere. He's always chasing my cat.
You could see the bloodlust in his eyes.
I want my snowball back.
Barf's made one bad rep for himself.
We have to build our case on character witnesses.
It's that duck.
Hey, look. I don't care what they say. He didn't do it.
One thing. Where was Barf last night? The night Muffy went missing?
In his doghouse, I guess. Me and my dad went to a movie.
Can I have that? Can you hold his jaws open? I have to floss his teeth.
Surely, Hoskins is putting Barf down tomorrow morning and you want to floss his teeth?
If we don't find traces of feline tissue in his gum...
Don't you get it? Barf's going to die.
Hey, man. She's just trying to help.
Well, not hard enough. You guys think he's guilty, don't you? Just like everyone else. I'll hold his mouth open.
The cutest, sweetest dog in the whole world, aren't you? There you go. There you go.
Hey, boy. You're so cute. Where'd this guy come from?
He's a she, and she likes you. So why don't you go teach her a fetch and switch? Well, What do you think we should call her? I mean, I like Effluvia, but...
You can call her whatever you want. I already have a dog.
Sterling.
If I mess up, are you gonna replace me too?
Don't you believe in knocking?
Forget knocking. Guess what? I ran into Miss Johnson. Her cat came back this morning. Bailey, the calico. At least one Barf didn't kill.
But there's still 7 missing. Do you notice a pattern?
The ones that are left are all black or white. What are the odds of that?
Astronomical, considering dogs don't see color. They see in black and white. Barf wouldn't have known the difference.
Only a human could have.
Of course.
What?
I found traces of tranquilizer in Barf's saliva. He didn't bark the night Muffy went missing because somebody drugged him.
Stink was right. Barf was framed. It's curtains in half an hour. Hoskins!
Mr. Hoskins!
Where is everybody? Oh no!
We're too late!
Poor Stink.
Poor Barf.
What do you kids want?
You couldn't wait. It's only 5 to 10.
What are you talking about? Where is he?
You mean he's not?
Did you let him loose?
Shh, quiet boy.
We have evidence somebody framed Barf. He's innocent.
I don't care what you've got. I know that dog, and he's a cat killer.
Barf, come back!
Hey! Stop! Come here!
Stink.
Do you notice anything?
Yeah, there's no black or white ones.
Adoption files. Oh, all these adoption files are for black or white cats, and they're all signed by Hoskins.
Get over here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm coming right away, sir. I'll be right there, sir.
Ricky! Ricky!
Hey, reporting for duty.
Notify all mobile units we've got a vicious dog on the loose.
Yes, sir. I'll tell them right away.
Advise all units to use their tranquilizer guns. We're not taking any more chances with this animal.
Hurry up!
Got it. Diazepam. They use it as a tranquilizer for animals, same as people.
Who locked this door? My keys are inside. Come on. Would you get going?
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
These adoption papers are bogus. Look at the names of the owners.
Abidi, Aberg, Abo, Adland.
They're from the first page of the phone book.
Somebody isn't straining their imagination too much.
My guess would be Hoskins. His signature is on 14 adoption papers for black or white cats. He has easy access to tranquilizers, and he has a motive. He hates Barf.
Hoskins must have started snatching neighborhood cats when he ran out of black and white ones at the pound. He's got at least 20 cats. What's he doing with all of them?
Whatever it is, he's not alone. There are 2 sets of handwriting on these papers. He has an accomplice. But who and why?
Has Cruella DeVille moved into Reddington recently?
We have to stop them before they grab any more cats.
Now, first things first. We have to find Stink and tell him what we know. Come on. Time to give you a disguise.
Hoskins. Well, it's about time. Look, it's getting too hot. We're gonna have to shut down. This stupid kid is onto us. What do you mean we're all gonna have to make sacrifices? I'm not taking a rap for this. Don't you hang up on me! Don't you... No! Get out of the way! Hey, come on, man. You're gonna be in there all day.
Trust me, buddy. You look great. You gotta look at it on the bright side, buddy. I mean, I could have been drinking Purple Grape.
Bad. Fulia? Bad dog, stay, please.
I paid $200 for these shoes.
So you checked your machine? Stink hasn't called?
I've been checking every 5 minutes. I'm not holding my breath. It's my fault he ran away.
Didn't you give him his own credit card?
Yeah. Well, when it comes to spending, cash is for amateurs.
Good thinking, Bo. The bank can tell us where he used his card last.
Yeah. Here, girl.
Nobody will recognize us now, buddy. We'll make it up to the Yukon. It's just gonna be cold up there, but I bet the people are gonna be really nice. We can be lumberjacks, buddy. It's the frontier. Hey, remember when you killed my coonskin hat and drowned it in the toilet? We'll have those good times again, buddy. I promise.
Yeah. Yeah, that's him. The Temple Gas on Boundary. And that was about an hour ago, right? Thank you. Thank you very, very much.
Can I see that flyer?
Sure.
Thanks. You two go get Stink. I have something I have to check out. It's just a hunch. I'll explain later.
Let's go get him.
Temple Gas on Boundary.
Temple Gas on Boundary. Temple Gas on Boundary.
Thought so.
We'll change our identities. Live life the way we want to. No one's gonna push us around. We're gonna stand tall, buddy. Dad? Come on. Come on. whom not?
Hello, son.
How'd you guys find me? You made it really tough.
Sterling, you gotta come back home.
I'm not going anywhere without my dog.
Well, of course you're not. I'm sorry about the puppy. I'm sorry I didn't believe you.
Look, man, you were right all along. We have proof that Barf's innocent.
What do you say? Can you give us another chance?
Okay. But you gotta buy me a new bike.
There's my boy. You. Whoops.
Yellow, Frank here. Uh-huh. Okie dokie. Yeah. It's Shirley. She wants to meet her.
I came as quickly as I could. Where's Muffy? Somebody called to say they'd found her. That would be me.
I believe I've identified our cat.
Color is irrelevant. A distraction from pure form.
Muffy?
Cats! Barf, no!
My art! He's going in!
What's going on here?
Frame my dog.
What? What are you talking about?
He's talking about your catnapping operation.
Oh, is my poor precious son.
I am appalled. Appalled by this cruel and inhumane disregard for the welfare of helpless animals.
Wait a minute. You sold me these cats.
Right after he stole them from their owners.
I didn't know where they came from. Well, except for Muffy. But I was going to give it back, Grandmother.
Wait till I tell your mother about this.
I had no idea you were going to exploit these cats so heartlessly.
What? I distinctly remember telling you what I was going to do with the cats.
Guys, don't fight. You guys make such a great team. He makes the art, and you do the framing.
This is a good one, son.
You told me the dog got Muffy. And to think the poor animal was nearly put down on account of it. Oh, I hope you can find it in your heart to forgive me.
You I can forgive, but him, he's gonna pay.
Mr. Hoskins was fired and sentenced to 200 hours of community service, which gave him a whole new perspective on animal control. Stink and his father made up. Things are still a little shaky, but they're working on it.